I have some shredded chicken leftovers, cheese, egg, onion. Sauteing the onion now. Ignore Jasmine. She just went down to lay down and she's mad about it. Get that chicken on there, put the cheese on top. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw these pieces of toasted bread on the skillet here. Ignore Jazz in the background. Get me some chicken. I added chicken stock and ranch and hot sauce to kind of liven the meat up again, if you were wondering. Then add my onions. Good. Then leftover shredded chicken from shredded chicken sandwiches with some cheese, sauteed onions, ranch and hot sauce, pickles and egg on Nick's plate additionally, with a hash brown on the side. Miss Jasmine, are you gonna help me put away all these groceries, or are you just gonna eat them all up? I just got home with these groceries and Nick's in the bathroom bathing the daughters, and I'm with Big Sis putting the groceries away. She wanted me to open up these crackers for her, so I did. Nick didn't even see I got him these muffins. Let me see how he feels about it. I feel bad because he's got Clementine getting her undressed and stuff. Raina's mad. I need to help.
Everybody's mad. Oh, chocolate chip
Oh.
cookies. Yeah, she's gonna be plucking them.
I just threw some cinnamon rolls in the oven pickles. They have about 6 more minutes on them. I thought they were gonna take 6 minutes total because I read the instructions wrong. Now I gotta flip them and do 6 more minutes. Either way, about to get on the game. Just got the groceries put away, thankfully. Jasmine went in her room without too much of a fuss. I gave her breakfast, well, lunch, because she had cereal for breakfast earlier. But I have beans in the slow cooker for dinner tonight. Hopefully gonna do some tacos or maybe burritos or something like that. I got taco tortillas, and I've been had burrito tortillas, and I made a burrito yesterday for Nika. He made himself a Spam burrito yesterday, and I made him a burrito the day before with leftovers. So, got these cinnamon puppies cooking, and I accidentally made them wrong. I put them on the wrong side first, so they're gonna be weird, but they're gonna be tasty, and I don't really care that much, so time to eat good. And I got cream cheese frosting. I'm super excited about that because it's different from original icing. It's cream cheesy. This is not my first rodeo in the air fryer, but I thought I was only gonna cook them on this side. Things did not end up really going my way, so I cooked them kind of wrong, but they actually look kind of tasty. So we're just gonna eat the cinnamon rolls like this. Cinnamon biscuits. I'm defrosting these pork chops right now. I'm gonna try to do breaded pork chops for like either dinner or tomorrow's lunch because I don't know how long this will take to thaw. Like I said, I have these beans going, so either way dinner is a go. And I can thaw these another way too. But I need to frost these cinnamon rolls, so that's what I'm doing next. Well, Pickles, it's officially time to go off. I don't know about you, but I'm kind of hungry. I just arrived at the store. As you can see, the fam's not with me. It's just me here. I'm just coming to make a return real quick. While I'm here, I'm just gonna grab some fruit, probably some muffins and bagels because your girl loves her carbs, and like I needed some lactate pills basically because I'm lactose intolerant, and it's gonna help prevent me from having a horrible diarrhea. While I was pregnant, I wasn't having as much lactose intolerance. I don't know if that was because the babies, you know, or whatever, but it's back now that I'm not pregnant, so I need something to take care of it because I am done. If I have one more wet poo, I'm literally going to like wet poo all over myself. So I'm leaving the store now. I was in there for about a little over than half an hour, and I don't know if Nick's awake at home because I left and the twins were asleep. He was asleep. Gave Jasper a tablet, and then I left. So I'm headed home now, and if he's still asleep, good. If he's not, but I'm gonna game when I get home. I'm ready for it after I get these groceries put away. I have a completely chill day today. I've already done everything I need to do. I just need to get a YouTube video uploaded when I get home. I actually already put all my groceries away, but I forgot something, so I had to double back into the store. And I didn't get to do my return, because I forgot I didn't get the yogurt at this HEB. I got it at another one, and they don't even have the yogurt here. Gotta get these clothes done. Gotta pick out an outfit for Jasmine because we're going to the 4th of July party today. Here are her clothes. I'm just tidying up the living room right now as Nick's dad's coming over later, just trying to clean up the stuff that's lying out without a place to be. Then I gotta do the dishes. I plan to do all that stuff anyway, but with his dad coming, it just accelerates the process. She hasn't worn this brown in a while. Or should she wear red, white, and blue? Nice. So should we do these pants with this shirt or the shirt with these jean overalls? I kind of like the jean overalls. My parents are hosting a 4th of July party, so we're gonna be going over there in about 5 hours. That's why I'm tidying up the house now. While Nick is sleeping, he was up all night with the girls. The girls haven't been much of trouble, like to me, since about 9 a.m. It's about to be noon. So I have an opportunity to clean right now. So I'm just sleeping, maybe get a mop, picking up trash off the floor, reorganizing furniture, trying to just make it a more spacious area and look less clunky. I'm changing up the vibe a little bit because Nick and I are getting new furniture in October. My parents are giving us some furniture that they had that they don't need. So we're gonna get new furniture. So for now, I just wanna switch up the vibe for the remaining months that we don't have it, because I'm one of those people where I don't like the same thing for too long. I like a little bit of a change or a switch up just to change the flow. I hear a baby. I gotta get these piles swept up. Or swept. Random toys like this go in the garage. I know my house isn't the sexiest at all times, Pickles, but I'm just cleaning up the kitchen right now. Nobody's house looks great at all times, because then it's probably not even their house that they're living in, because this house definitely looks lived in. I've still yet to sweep up these piles, because I can't find the freaking dustpan. It's been missing for a while. Literally, I've looked everywhere at this point. I need to take this tricycle out back. Just gonna mix up the living room a bit. Next time you'll see it, it's gonna be a complete vibe switch. And cleaner, because there's trash, laundry, crap on the floor. I need to clean up this table as well. You wanna paint? You wanna paint? Okay, let me go get the paint. I'll be right back. Here, just eat your cinnamon roll and hot dog, and I'll be right back with the paint. You want blue and red and yellow and green? Pink. Okay, got it. Just like that, my living room is born again. Completely new energy, completely new vibe. Car seats ready to go here by the recycle. Massage chair set up. We need to get that hung up, but Nick's asleep right now. Twin bassinet moved over here. Yoga ball over there, even though we don't use it that much because I'm not pregnant anymore. Got this bassinet. To be honest, there's still stuff I need to clean out of it, and I want to get that top cleaned off. We have boxes as furniture, as you can see, because we got so many babies. We don't have stuff. We don't have anywhere to put some stuff, so the stuff just has to be out and about. But anyways, hopefully I did a decent job. I still need to tidy up the kitchen and whatnot, so I'll let y'all know how that goes. It's still looking pretty rough. I've got Jasmine's bathing suit out because we're going to the pool at my parents' house before the 4th of July party, and I still need to knock these dishes out. Y'all saw me start them earlier, but not done yet. Still gotta do the dishes though and clean off this table. This should be about maybe another hour or so, depending on how much I'm slacking. And then I'm gonna take out this trash in the end and clean off Jazz's toy shop. Taking myself a little parfait break. Yogurt with strawberry granola chocolate, and the granola happens to have hazelnut in it. Almost done cleaning the house. I have to finish mopping the dining room and the living room. Then sweep and mop again. Because when you mop, all that random dirt from wherever comes out, and gotta sweep again, so. But don't worry. I didn't sweep mop. I just mopped. Now I'm gonna sweep. Then I'm gonna mop again. Well, actually, I mopped. I'm gonna finish mopping, and then I'm gonna make Nick sweep and mop when he wakes up. That's the only thing he has to do. I'm gonna take the trash out. Everything else I did. Twins are fed and kind of asleep. In and out of sleep. I'm just getting ready to host Nick's dad for 4th of July. Even though we'll be outside majority of the time, it's just a good motivator to clean. Because I've been needing to clean. And I like cleaning. But we're going to my parents' house for the party on my family side first. From like 5 to 7. So, wait, just a hop and skip away. Practically the same neighborhood, so we'll be back in plenty of time. Well, right now the room is a bit of a mess. Nick just brought the laundry in here, and we need to leave for the get together in like half an hour or less. The twins are just chilling in the twinsy pillow. I'm looking right at them. I'm going to show y'all in a second. But Jasmine's awake now, running around the house. And Nick said she made a mess in her room. So he's in there cleaning it. And our room is still gross, but everywhere else in the house looks good. So I feel pretty confident, pretty good about that. The twins, I need to get them in their car seats ASAP. But as I was saying, we just got the laundry put out here on the bed. So it's kind of hectic over here. I'm going to finish putting away right now before we have to leave.